Hi guys, it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello. So for today's video, I thought I would sit down and try and create this foxy eye makeup look that I've seen everywhere. It's like a massive trend at the moment, like loads of people are posting it on YouTube and Instagram, and I just thought I would sit down and try and create this look on my face. So yeah, I'm gonna get started and hopefully I can create something of a foxy eye look. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video and let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my eyes first, and I'm going to use my Jouer High Essential Coverage Concealer in Custard as eye primer. I've been seeing this trend like absolutely everywhere. Most people that I've seen with this whole foxy eye makeup look so good. Like Jamie Page, when she done the foxy eye look, oh my god, she looks stunning. For eyeshadow, I have the Huda Beauty Nude Medium palette, and then I have the BH Desert Oasis palette, which looks like this. So I think I'm just going to kind of dabble into both of them and see what I create. So I'm going to firstly dip into this eyeshadow here from Huda Beauty, and I'm just going to put this in my crease. So I don't really know how this look is going to come out. Like, I just know that I want to make it a little bit like smoky. I want to do like a smoky eyeliner, because I think that's like the kind of trend of this whole foxy eye look, is doing like smoky eyeliner. If I can right now, I'm going to post up some looks that have inspired me to create this look, but I'm not really like copying anyone. I'm just kind of doing my own little thing. Like, I don't know if I'm going to put shimmer on my lid or not. I don't know if I'm going to do the whole like massive wing. I might just do it with eyeshadow. So I'm kind of like doing my own version of this foxy eye look. So now I'm going to take this colour here and I'm just going to put this on the outer V. And when I have less product on my brush, I'll bring it into my crease. I'm building up this colour really slowly. Then go back in with your crease colour and just blend over the edges. And you kind of want to pull out the eyeshadow as well, like, you don't want it to be like a round shaped eyeshadow, because obviously the whole like purpose of the fox eye makeup is to make your eyes look more pulled back. So once you've done your outer V, I'm just going to go in with a flesh tone colour and just place this on the lid. So whatever colour is closest to your flesh, use that. This reminds me of like a soft glam kind of look. So now what I'm going to do is go in with the BH Cosmetics Oasis palette, and I'm going to take this colour here, which is called Nightscape. It's like a really cool tone brown. You could use like a black or a dark brown, which is what I'm basically using. And I'm just going to do like a liner basically with it. Now I'm going to wing this out. So this is the eye look so far, and I don't love it, I don't hate it. I think it will really come together once I have lashes on. Okay, so now for the base, I'm going to use the PS Prep and Perfect Prime and Infuse Instant Hydrate Priming Spray. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just going to put this on the areas that have the most pores. So now for foundation, I'm going to mix the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in Fair with the Misha BB Cream. I'm just going to mix them together because I have them both here. And then I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. I'm going to take my earrings off first. So now I'm going to go in with my Jouer Concealer in Custard. And while that's sitting, I'm going to go in with my Rimmel contour stick. Now I'm just going to blend this out with my beauty blender. Now I'm just going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. So I just went off camera just to do my brows, just because it takes a while and it's just so boring. Okay, so now for bronzer, I'm going to use my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And I'm just going to bronze up my cheeks. So now I'm going to go in with my Becca, Malika and Chloe palette, and I'm just going to take this bronzer here. Just because I love using multiple bronzers. I feel like I don't look bronzed enough when I only use one bronzer, and I love the different tones of bronzers as well. I'm just going to cut my cheek. So now for blush, I'm going to go in with this colour here. This is from the Morphe 9B palette. I think this palette has been discontinued. And I'm just going to place a little bit on the apples of my cheeks and bring it back. So now for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Revolution and Soph highlighting palette. And I'm going to go in with this colour here, just on my nose. So now I'm just going to set in all the powders using the Revolution Hydrate and Fix Radiance Makeup Setting Spray. Fixing spray. So now I'm going to use the Rimmel Special Eyes Black Eyeliner in my waterline. Now for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with the same colour I used on my crease. So now I'm going to go in with the darker colour that I used for my wing on my lower lash line. And I'm bringing it all the way in. Okay, so now I'm just going to kind of sharpen out. So that is the eye look so far. So what I'm going to do now is go off camera to do my lashes, because my lashes is a whole mess and it's a whole situation. I can't just do it on camera. So I will be back shortly with lashes on. Hi guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, I've done my lashes. And for lashes, I used the Primark Sosu lashes in London. Now for lips, I'm going to use my NYX lip liner in Chestnut. So now I'm going to go in with the Colourpop and Kathleen lipstick in What's Your Sign. And then to brighten up the middle, I'm going to go in with my Barry M 101 lipstick. So now for lip gloss, I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colours Over the Top lip gloss. This is actually Katie's and Desi's collaboration with Dose of Colours. So guys, this is the finished look. This is my version of the Foxy eye makeup. I really like how this look has come out. I think it's the lashes really just brings the look out, and the inner corners makes my look even more like foxy and cat-like. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I know some people are shaving the ends of their brows, but that's just not my life. Honestly, it really isn't. I think this look would have looked really cool if I had more like straight brows. Like, can you imagine? That would look sick. But that's just not my journey. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, leave me a comment down below if you've done this look and what you think of it. And if you haven't already, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.